First, open the e-learninggate page in your browser. Please make sure that the correct website URL is entered. Double-check that it's the official e-learninggate link before you continue. Once the page is open, you'll see a clickable link below the login boxes that says "Forgotten your username or password." Click on that link. Now, two search boxes will appear. In the second box, type your school email address, which starts with AAISP. After entering your email, click Search. Leave blank the first box. If your email address is correct, a new window will confirm that a message has been sent to your inbox. Click Continue. Open your email, find the message from eLearninggate, and follow the instructions inside. You'll be asked to create a new password. While setting the password, please follow the on-screen rules. Include uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and make sure it meets the minimum length. Thank you.